हे गाइस, मैं हूं नेहा। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक नहीं पूरे 6 डिफरेंट पार्टी हेयर स्टाइल्स। गाइस, मैं आप लोगों के लिए इतनी मेहनत कर रही हूँ तो आपका भी फर्ज बनता है कि आप मेरी वीडियो को कम से कम 30,000 लाइक्स तक तो जरूर पहुंचाएं। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं आज की वीडियो से।
I wanna give you a million things, 'cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe. 'Cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, we could try to leave it all behind, and we don't have to think about it. Oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe. 'Cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. 'Cause all you need is someone true like you are. 'Cause all you need is somebody. 'Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
How I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you. Got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do.
तो ये था मेरा आज का वीडियो। अगर आपको पसंद आया तो इसे भर भर के लाइक और शेयर जरूर करना, और मुझे नीचे कमेंट्स करके ये जरूर बताना कि आपको कौन सी रेसिपी में सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगी। क्या गाइस लगता है आप लोगों का प्यार ना हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा कम हो गया है, तभी आपने वीडियोस को लाइक करना कम कर दिया है। अगर आप वीडियोस को लाइक नहीं करोगे तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है या नहीं आती। इसलिए वीडियोस को भर भर के लाइक जरूर किया करो। तो मैं नेहा मिलती हूँ आपको मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।
Holding me close, I know you